Weeklands.
Yeah, it's like weather whiplash from temperatures in the 40s to nearing 90 by this weekend. So things are going to change a bit. If you like the cooler air, take advantage of the next few days. In fact, today is going to be the coolest day by far in the extended forecast. It's because we're dealing with some northwesterly winds. We've had clear skies, really allowing the temperature to drop during the overnight. And it's going to be a pretty quiet setup for us during the first part of this week. High pressure will basically reign over the Midwest through the Great Lakes region between now and about Wednesday. Not going to really change up much of our weather pattern here. So big quiet stretch across the country, and we get to be a part of that. Now for today, there will briefly be some increased clouds, but it will clear back out. We'll bring back some sunshine later today, getting you through the morning with temperatures in the upper 50s. Eventually by noon today, recovering back to 64, and we are headed into the low 70s. At least most of us are. 69 the forecast high in Muncie, 68 in Richmond, and we're talking low 70s for the rest of the state. The average high, by the way, jumps to 81 today, so we're all going to be about 10 degrees below average. Mostly sunny for that evening commute. We fall back out of the low 70s into the upper 60s. A very pleasant evening ahead with that sunset today at 9:13 in the evening. Now during the overnight, that's when we see the northerly wind flow, the clear sky. It's all going to come together to really drop these temperatures. There will be some outlying locations here in central Indiana that see the low 40s overnight tonight. Forecasting a low here in the city of 47. 46 the low in Muncie. We should be in the low 60s for overnight low temperatures at this point in the season. So a very cool start to the day tomorrow. Might even be jacket worthy early on Tuesday. We're going to bring back the sunshine. Temperatures will slowly start to recover tomorrow, but still 76 is below average. We'll enjoy a nice pleasant setup for our Tuesday afternoon. Now Wednesday is going to be that transitional day. We're going to start to see the heat building back to our west and slowly starting to push in. So Wednesday, looking at warmer highs in the mid 80s, and then those temperatures continuing to trend upward. We're back above average with highs in the mid to upper 80s to wrap up the week, and it really looks like that heat dome is going to start to build in as we get into the latter part of the weekend. So 84 Wednesday, we'll go 87 Thursday. A weak wave does bring a storm chance overnight Thursday into Friday morning. That'll keep temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, but then heat dome highs nearing 90 on Sunday. It looks like that kicks off a stretch of 90-degree days that takes us into next week.